Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get paid on Shopify if you are under 18. To begin, understand that Shopify Payments, the platform's primary payment processor, requires account holders to be at least 18 years old. This is a legal requirement for financial services. Therefore, a parent or legal guardian must be involved to set up the payment gateway on your behalf. They will be the official account holder, ensuring all transactions comply with regulations. This method allows you to operate your store while adhering to age restrictions. Once your parent or legal guardian agrees, they will create the Shopify account using their own personal information. This includes their name, address, and social security number for tax purposes. They will also connect their bank account to receive payouts from your store's sales. It is crucial to have an open discussion about how funds will be managed and transferred to you. This arrangement ensures legal compliance while allowing you to focus on your business operations and growth. After sales are made, Shopify will deposit the funds directly into your guardian's linked bank account. It is essential to establish a clear and consistent method for them to transfer your earnings to you. You might consider setting up a separate savings account for your business income, managed by your guardian, to keep finances organized. Maintaining detailed records of all income and expenses is also highly recommended. This practice helps both you and your guardian understand the financial health of your venture. Under this arrangement, your parent or legal guardian will be responsible for reporting the income generated by your Shopify store on their tax returns. It is important to understand the income thresholds that trigger tax filing obligations. We highly recommend consulting with a tax professional to get personalized advice tailored to your specific situation. This ensures that all legal and financial obligations are met correctly, allowing you to run your business smoothly and without future complications. Always prioritize compliance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.